Hi, the Porat gang. Welcome back to the Porat channel. It's your girl Sandra in the building. Guess what? I'm having my lunch in an African village homestay. Guess what I'm having? Yeah, I'm having some spaghetti, and yeah, it's super delicious. It's just super delicious. Wherever you are, hopefully you're having a great day. Love you all, the Porat gang. A day in an African village, yeah, eating my lunch, a simple meal, yeah, to keep me going. I'm so grateful for what the day has given me. Yeah, this is your girl Sandra in the building.